My name is Richard. I do the music.
Purpose of this?
Well, we
making pop.
try to create something new. Most of the bands in the electronic scene, they all sound the same, so we try to create something new and original, hopefully.
Inspiration. Yeah, well.
Well, can you say it's like, of course, we love space. Twin Peaks, David Lynch, dark side of the spoon, the dark side of life, nightlife. Well, we have decided to sign Juggernaut Services, an English label.
Juggernaut Media Group.
Yeah, Juggernaut Media Group.
That's important.
And we will release a record around
January, February.
January, February next year, and probably like 10 songs, and hopefully a digital EP will be released some month earlier to promote.
10 songs about hopelessness and despair.
Life and death, black and white.
Strange things that happens here, out there,
Down there,
in there.
everywhere.
Music, inspiration comes from deep down.
Well,
The live scene, yeah.
We are planning to sign a booking agent from Germany, so hopefully we're going to have a lot of gigs down there next year, festivals and stuff like that. So I think Germany is a good country to play electronic music.
I think there's some coming up actually. Berlin,
Yeah,
London.
we can't confirm, but more or less it looks like London and Berlin and stuff.
You start.
Yeah, when it comes to the music, I would say, of course, Depeche Mode is a big inspiration, and The Cure and Sisters of Mercy. But also I try to do my own thing and not, it's more like an inspiration. It's not like I try to sound like any band, because, we do our thing. I don't know, when it comes to you, when you sing and when you write the lyrics, if you have any...
Yeah, lyrics, no inspiration really. Just themes about stuff I like.
Yeah.
And the singing, I don't have any inspiration for my vocals nowadays. I just sing. I found my voice finally. But of course, David Bowie.
Yeah.
But I can't sing like him. He's a soul guy. And Depeche Mode. Well, yeah. A lot of death metal.
That's cool.
But that's not an inspiration. That would
You
be
never
strange.
know. You never know for the
You never know.
forthcoming releases.
Yeah, a double album next year with just death metal speed.
But I can add this one, like even though we do electronic pop music, we prefer to invite stuff like guitars and all kind of acoustic instruments. We are not, it doesn't have to be hard electronic.
No.
So I wouldn't say we are a classic synth pop band. So we prefer to say electronic pop.
Maybe people haven't recognized that, but we have guitars.
Yeah, we have some guitars on the songs, but they are, well baked in the cake. But yeah, of course.
It's made into electronics.
Yeah. And we will release some acoustic versions of songs as well. It's a nice touch to see different dimensions of a song.
Yeah.